Alert and a possible new clue in the death of a beloved grandmother who was shot and killed in Miami Gardens. A mystery man was seen in the neighborhood. Let's go to Local 10 News reporter Glenna Milberg live down to explain for us tonight. Glenna.
Seen, Calvin, and also recorded on a neighbor's doorbell video. I should say it's very clear. You'll be able to see it in just a minute. And I just want to tell you that the only thing so far tying this man to any sort of crime is time and place. And it was Thursday night at this place. This is Dee Dee Simmons' home. A mother, a sister, a grandmother, a beloved member of this community. They are dealing with just such heartbreak today.
It was senseless. It was without merit.
The little one placing purple flowers, she was right there Thursday night when the gunfire killed Grandma Dee Dee Simmons.
Who have we become? It's frightening when you want something that's mine and you want it bad enough that you would hurt, harm, or kill me.
The family believes that stranger on the block fired at Dee Dee and her family for their Yorkie. They say he kept claiming it was his. And just before the gunfire, a doorbell camera down the block was recording this. He rings the bell twice, he looks at his cell phone in between, and then he heads in the direction of the Simmons home. We rang that same doorbell, no answer, though the homeowner posted the video asking this: who is this guy? There was a shooting down the street from my house last night, 11:30. He was at my door around 11:10 p.m. One of Dee Dee's family members right there that night tells us he could well have been that guy at her door.
There were 2 children and another adult in the house. So we could have been having 2, 3, or 4 funerals today.
The bullet blasts are still there in the door frame and window panes, but now over a growing outpouring at Dee Dee's front door and a growing concern on the block with an active neighborhood watch where everyone knows their neighbors.
This particular incident is not the norm. As you look around, we're quiet just like this all of the time.
There's a neighborhood watch meeting coming up this week. This pamphlet on women in safety, painfully enough, this was handed out at the last meeting. They say Dee Dee Simmons was not at that meeting. Very important to let you know that the man you saw in the video, police department, Miami Gardens, is aware that he is recorded on this doorbell video. They are not publicly nor officially calling him a suspect in anything, and not even at this point a person of interest. That may be something they're keeping to themselves at this moment. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in Miami Gardens today, Local 10 News.
All right, Glenna, thanks.